This last box, as you can see, is super tiny because it is not for me. This pair is for my sister. These are the Jordan 1 Low Method of Make, which is a woman's exclusive model. They have it in black, they have it in cream, they have it in pink, they have it in red, they have it in green, a bunch of colors. I wish these came in men's sizing. They don't. I think the biggest is the woman's 10. Nah, I'm bugging. Probably woman's 11, the woman's 12. So I think if you're a men's 10.5, you should be able to squeeze your foot into a pair of this model. But yeah, that's about it. Super cool. Metal mini swoosh, metal Air Jordan on the tongue. The tongue is super thick, super plush. Just like a really premium Jordan 1 Low, especially for women. You know, Jordan wings in the back and that metal too. Really cool. I really wanted a pair of these, but can't get them, so my sister will have to get a pair. These are the Jordan 1 Low Method of Make. This Air Jordan 1 represents the pinnacle of original design and creative innovation. The Method of Make MM edition pays homage to the legendary silhouette, using cultural and trend-right inspiration points to reinvent the iconic construction. Super cool shoe. You know, kind of gives me baseball glove vibes. With the little accents here and here. Yeah, great shoe.